Hey class, for this last example from the chi-squared distribution and confidence intervals about a sample standard deviation or a population standard deviation, I want to show you how to do it with a data set. So I'm going to copy this to a clipboard, Control C, or you can right click there and go to copy. I like to call my data sets A, just capital A equals, and then when you just paste it in there, it automatically pastes it within the brackets. So there is my data set A. Now if I'm doing a confidence interval about a standard deviation, I need that sample standard deviation. So I'll just do standard deviation of A. This is S in the notation, sample standard deviation. Okay, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to find the critical values first and then come up with a confidence interval. Okay, so they want us to do a 95% confidence interval. So I have 12 elements. That means my degrees of freedom is 11. All right, I want to enter and bounds here, and I'm going to make the confidence level be 95%. So right now it's set to 98. So I would just change that to 95. And then these are my bounds. This is my upper bound. This is my lower bound. All right, once you have your upper and lower bounds, you're ready to make the confidence interval. You need to start off with the square root. You can try SQRT like I did there. You can also come to this option here and just click the square root button. All right, but you want square root and then do division. And up top, you're going to take your degrees of freedom, which is 11 in this problem, and you're going to multiply it by the square of your standard deviation. So all you have to do is just grab it, Control C, put it beside that 11 times that I had down there, and just square it. Okay, you can do Shift 6 on the keyboard to get a power of, or you can just click this button here under the keyboard icon. That's your degrees of freedom times your S squared, your sample standard deviation squared, which is variance. And then on the bottom, you're going to divide by each one of these. Okay, but for the first one, for the lower bounds, you divide by the right critical value. All right, and then I'm going to copy all of this, Control C, come down here, Control V, all right, and then change that to the smaller number to get your upper limit for your confidence interval. All right, so there is my confidence interval. They want us to round this to 1 decimal place, so that's going to be 2.95 would be 3.0, and then my upper standard deviation will be 7.1, again to 1 decimal place. All right, so that's how you can use the chi-square distribution calculator in Desmos to help you make a confidence interval about a population standard deviation when you're given a data set.